Hey, it's Dr. Chad. I've got my assistant with me today. This is Miss Jordan.
Hello.
And today we're going to show you how to make the perfect burger from the Whole30 cookbook. When we did Whole30, my family and I, last fall, it was one of the simplest recipes we came across, and that's the point. The point of this month, the theme of the month, is reminding you how simple it is to eat well, how simple it is to be able to throw something together at home that would take you 15 minutes tops to prepare, put in the oven, and pretty much be ready to go. So we have a pound of ground beef. We have pre-mixed the spices that we're going to put with the ground beef to make our hamburger patties. You can go ahead when you're ready. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder. We're going to add in about a teaspoon of salt.
Make it salty.
Okay, so Jordan is going to start mixing up
And
the
smushing
ingredients.
this. Ha.
Now that we have our ground beef and spices mixed up, we're going to form it into various patties. The recipe itself, you'll see, suggests you form maybe 3 or 4, but we've got little ones, so we're going to make 6. We're going to make a few bigger ones. We're going to make a few smaller ones. So, Jordan, you can go ahead, grab a handful of ground beef, like I have, and just mash it into a ball.
So this is how you do it. Mash it into a ball.
So here's your kid-size version.
I'm gonna put a little. Can I do a one for you?
Sure.
So this is the one for Quinn, and I'm gonna make a one for you. How big do you want? That big?
Pretty big.
Pretty big?
Pretty big.
Okay.
Okay, and as specified in the recipe, line a pan with parchment paper, place the patties on there. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Just gonna put the patties in the oven for 15 minutes, and then you're done. There's also in the recipe something about how you can put it in the freezer for 15 minutes first. I've done that, I've done it without. They both taste the same for future reference. So, we'll see how it goes. And all right, that's it. 20 minutes total, 5 minutes of prep time, 15 minutes in the oven, and we're good to go. You guys, wanna try it? Quinn? Jordan? What do you think?
That's good.
What do you think, Quinn? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. All right, enjoy it. Doesn't take long, quick and easy, and it's good for you.